Hi there and welcome to another BlogHandy tutorial on how to add an SEO optimized and beautiful looking blog to your existing website or online store. My name is Uwe, I'm the founder of BlogHandy, and today we're looking at how to add a blog to your Dukaan store. Let's dive right into it. So I'm in my Dukaan account and we first want to go to appearance because that's where everything happens today, and we want to go to pages. Now let's create a new page, add new page, and we call the page my blog. Okay, so here's the page content, and what we have to do is we have to click here on the source code bit, and we want to add some HTML code. So this is a bit different to all the other tutorials we have on BlogHandy, because now we want to go to BlogHandy and we actually want to copy paste the step 2 code, this code first, and we want to go and just drop it here in that page, click on save, and that's it for now. So if you click back on the source code, you will see it, but other than that, this page is empty. So now publish the page. All right, perfect. So far we wouldn't see anything. Let's click on menus to make sure that our page as well is shown. Okay, perfect. It will be shown in our menu. And now we have to go to themes. And I've got the Oxford theme active. I click on customize and you have to go to the code editor. So this might look a bit daunting because we're gonna see a bit of code, but I'm gonna run you through every step. Click on code editor. Okay. Now what you want to do is you want to look here on the left hand side for something called layout.html. This is a file we're looking for, and then go back to BlogHandy, take the step 1 code, copy it, go back to Dukaan, and now paste it here just underneath the head. This should be in one of the first 5 lines. And you just paste it in here, and that's it. Okay, so we copy pasted our BlogHandy code here. You see it just underneath the head section, and let's click on save and preview store and on publish. Perfect, so it already opened our store. I don't have any products right now. Let's click on my blog. It's in the main navigation and it's loading, and there's our blog. Beautiful, that's our pop grid template. And now what we can do is you can take that URL from the my blog page, go to BlogHandy and settings, and then you have to paste it into the blog URL section and just click on save all changes. And since we're already in the settings page, up here you can go to layout and design, and you can change to any of our other designs, let's say to the cover design, and you will see how the blog will look right now. And the beautiful thing with BlogHandy is you can just do that one change and it automatically will be changed on your website. The modern grid, that's our default template. Again, just refresh the page and it will automatically load that blog design on your blog page. If you want to do any further CSS changes, if you're comfortable with the CSS coding, just go to the bottom of this page and you can adjust your headlines or any colors, sizes and fonts however you want. If you don't feel comfortable with that, just reach out to me and my team and we're happy to assist you and to customize your blog the way you want it. Thanks a lot for listening, happy blogging, and bye bye for now.